Hi and welcome to my tutorial. Today we'll be talking about how you don't actually need to be able to draw um, to have a proper artwork using references from other people. So here I've got a reference that I've gotten from Pinterest. As you saw, I went and typed in the words um, drawing pauses. So here I've got a drawing pause that I really liked. And here I'm going to trace above it. So what I like with drawing pauses is that comes the pause um, that I really don't that I want to have specifically, but then I don't have to draw it from scratch. I can draw it from scratch, but then for those who are not very confident with their drawing, it doesn't mean that you can't really draw it from scratch. Um, so here you can see I'm adding a couple of things. I'm going back to Pinterest and for inspiration for the dress that I want to put on her. You can't always draw from your head. It's not cheating. Having inspiration and reference is the way a lot of artists go about things. So here you can see I'm looking through artworks on Pinterest. Pinterest is a really good place to look for things. I want you to see how I'm taking inspiration, but I'm not plagiarizing anything. There's a difference between taking a drawing and drawing over it and having the exact same concept, and and looking for a pause to help you not spend time drawing the anatomy of the human being, then putting your own idea on top of it. So for this drawing, I wanted more of an ethereal look on what she is. I wasn't going to use the wings. I don't need the wings in any aspect, but I wanted the flowy movement of the dress to kind of go around her. So instead of wasting a lot of time drawing all these basic things, I can just use the poses here and complete my artwork. So here, now that I'm done with my lines, I'm going to look into putting in color. So at first I used the brush form, but I realized that it was going to waste a lot of time. So I duplicated the line work layer and started using the paintbrush tool inside. But then I had to come back and brush over it. So I'm switching through brushes, experimenting here. At first, I wanted to use the oil brush, but I didn't like what it like. So I'm going to go back into my ordinary blending brush, my soft brush, and get my layer on top, clip it, and use the effect multiply. And here I'm just playing around with the settings. I think I had lost a couple of my settings, so I was playing around with them, trying to see what can get me better shadows. I put up another layer, another multiply layer to get the deeper shadows in to her skin area. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the tutorial. You can pause it, see what happens. Um, Otherwise, I don't think I have much to actually say here. But the main take back that I want you guys to have is that at the end of the day, you can create whatever you want to create using references, because the references are there. It's not cheating. It is just it's a way of what can I say? Using the resources you have in front of you. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial.